What is up, guys? I know it's been a hot minute since we made a video here, but today we got something in the mail, and I can't wait to open this. As you see, handle with care. Alright, so work has been pretty crazy. Yeah, so I haven't really gotten around to making videos and stuff like that, but we will have a couple of videos for this week, and we're going to start off with opening this little beauty of a package here, which we ended up getting from California. So this could be a couple things. I don't know what exactly it could be, so we're going to pop this thing open and see what's on the inside. Alright, so I didn't open it yet, but I was able to rip the sides off right here. So let's see what this could be. As we're going to put the phone down, pop this thing open. Alright, and we got coupons. So it looks like just coupons. That's all that's not. But here we go. I'm really excited for this. I think there might actually be two trucks in here. Oh, we got a bag. It is definitely a Monster Jam truck. Let's see, anything else? Looks like we got all this, all that. Alright, so that basically does it for the box. Let me just move all this out of the way. Newspaper clippings. Alright, so we got two trucks. Alright, so you can kind of see what this is already right here, at least this one. You see the May 10th, May 11th. I think we all know what that could be. So let's open this little baggie up, take them out. And oh yeah, there it is, boys. That's pretty sick. So the World Finals truck, special edition Spin Master truck right here. 1 out of 5,000. I was going to say 1,000. Wow. This is pretty sick. Look at that. The card is a little bent on the top. That's not that bad though. That's pretty sick. Alright, so that's the first truck. That's awesome, dude. Now, the next truck. So these were sent to me from California, from my friend that actually does send me a lot of stuff. Luckily for him, he was at the World Finals, and as I say that, it is another one of the trucks, which is even cooler. Alright, so we got two, and it looks like this package is in a little bit better shape. Alright, so we got 2 out of 5,000 trucks right here. A little damage right there, but that's alright. That's mediocre. Alright, dude. So we got 2 out of the World Final trucks. Get this out of the way. Put this down right here. Alright, so the main thing with the World Finals was it was supposed to be in New Jersey at MetLife Stadium, and last year, in I think September, they rescheduled it, which really sucked for me because I really wanted to go for it, and I was really hyped up that it was going to be at MetLife Stadium. And once they announced that it was going to be in Florida, I wanted to go really, really bad, but obviously I couldn't, which kind of sucks, so I really wish I was able to go. But sadly I couldn't, and these trucks were only available at the show, I believe. I know they are on eBay, and I've seen some prices from anywhere from like $40 to $70 to $100. For two of them, it's like 80 or something like that. But this thing is pretty sick. I really love the way this truck looks, how Spin Master actually did an amazing job capturing like everything in Florida. I've been to Florida once in my life, and we were down there for like a month, and we were down in Bradenton, I think it is, next to like the Gulf of Mexico, I believe. And Florida is really awesome, dude. So if you guys got to go there or you've never been there, I highly recommend checking out Florida and seeing what's going on down there. But I really wish I was able to go to the World Finals. I was pretty heartbroken when it got, canceled from MetLife Stadium, but this is pretty cool. This is awesome because I didn't think I was going to get this truck at all, since obviously I didn't go to the show. So that kind of like was a huge damper on me. But this is pretty cool because he told me there was a package coming. I didn't know what it was. I didn't know what it could be. And the fact that he sent me two of these is just amazing because, as you guys do know, I do save one and then I do open one as well. So this is pretty cool. This is now basically I have every single truck besides the Mix 4 singles that got released. They are in California. They are also on eBay, and they're pretty expensive right now. But New Jersey won't get those until like a week and a half from now, which kind of sucks. But yeah, so now, as of right now at least, besides Mix 4, the only other truck I need is that Gravedigger 1 of 1000. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Dude, thank you so much. I know you never want to, want me to say your name or anything like that. And sometimes I kind of almost slip and say it, but, that's just like privacy reasons or whatever. But dude, thank you so much for this. This means a lot to me. And the fact that it's 2 trucks really, really means a lot. So thank you so much. And another thing too, guys, I have 100 subscribers now. I know I haven't made a video in like 2 weeks or whatever, but we are going to pop them out pretty quick. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Thank you guys so much for liking the videos, subscribing, all that. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video, and it's probably going to be a review on this or some of the Mix 4 doubles that we were able to pick up. But yeah, so like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos, guys. And yeah, this is awesome. So thank you so much for these, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.